How beautiful is this looking right by this? Oh my god. We are at the White House now. Our food is here. This is the crab roll. This is the flatbread, the soup. We are now at the US Capitol. This monument was in the movie Spider-Man Homecoming as well. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Currently I am in Maryland. We left New York and then came to Maryland. I ended my last vlog in New York saying that I'm going to continue the trip and then start vlogging again. So yesterday we left New York and came to Maryland. We're at my cousin's place right now. Now we're at the airport, but today we are going to Niagara Falls. So we're at the airport and we're going from Maryland to Niagara Falls. You know, for the entire day we're going to be here, and it is literally 5 a.m. in the morning. So we left it, I think 4:45 or something like that, and I think we slept around 11:30. So I'm super sleepy. My eyes were literally burning, but then I'm so excited because, you know, Niagara Falls, finally seeing the Niagara Falls. And then tomorrow we're going to Washington DC and going to explore that entire area. And then we will go to a few more places which will come in the consecutive vlogs. So right now our flight starts, the boarding starts in about half an hour. So we're just going to sit here, chill here. I'm really sleepy. I might just catch a small nap in the flight. We are in the flight, and surprisingly so, you can sit anywhere you want. We are not sitting on our seat, nobody is, because you can just sit wherever you want because the flight is relatively empty. But look, it's raining outside. I really hope it's not raining over there. Though even if it is, I mean, we anyways have to get wet. But it'll be better if it's not raining for better pictures and everything. We have stopped for breakfast before we go to the Niagara Falls. There's this very cute place called Marketside. Super cute. And we've stopped here for breakfast. It's 8:30 right now. We're all super hungry and I need my coffee. My mom's ordered the fruit bowl, my dad's ordered these pancakes, Sandeep uncle has ordered the omelette, and even I have ordered the omelette. We literally got down to seeing this rainbow. I cannot believe it. We've come here and the weather's cleared up and we can see the rainbow right here. How beautiful is this looking right by this? Oh my god. So beautiful. Guys, we've come down now. This is the rainbow right here. And this is how the view looks like. My parents have gone down there to take pictures, and Sandeep uncle is here with us today. So by the way, for context, we are staying at my aunt's house, so my dad's cousin's house. So we are going to explore Washington DC and also exploring Niagara Falls with them. The rainbow and the falls are right there. The rainbow is actually going now, but we are walking down near the place wherein they we sit in the boat and then we go through the waterfalls. So that's going to be amazing, and we're going to get wet, but it's going to be so much fun. So this is like the American side, and then there's also like the Canada side, and it's said that the Canada side is a lot more pretty, but even the American side is so beautiful. So we've entered this place and there's like a small show that they play before we go in. Before the boat ride, we are walking down now, and most of us are going to get wet, so we're wearing this, and there are lots of birds here. So it's mainly about like protecting ourselves from the birds too. So yeah, but now let's see how it's gonna go. We are here at the Cave of the Winds, and the entire trip starts from here. Look at this. The view is amazing. It's breathtaking. We just got done with going down. Oh my god, it was so much fun. We got completely wet. And now we've been walking in the sun for around 5-10 minutes. That's why, you know, now it's all drying up. But it was so much fun. Like literally, like the water from the waterfall was fully splashing on us, and it was a vibe. And now we're going towards the boat ride, and again we're gonna get wet. So again, they'll give us the ponchos.
Empowered by twin diesel engines. We appreciate and enjoy
like the falls.
natural light.
These are the falls, and we're just standing here, and we're all gonna get super wet now.
Hands and feet are inside the boat, and nuts hidden in the seats with the metal boxes on the deck. Please keep nuts
Look at this, so pretty. It was literally the most beautiful experience ever. We got fully drenched, like they take us right in over there and you get fully drenched, but it's so good. We are back at the airport. We had lunch after that and we were all like so tired after the trip. I mean, we were like really, we had a lot of fun, but we also got a little tired. We got wet and everything, so we just like crashed in the Uber on the way here. And now I just have my coffee. And our flight is in about maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours. And then once we go back to their house, we'll just like rest for the evening. And then tomorrow morning, we go to Washington, DC. It is a new day and a sunny new day. It was actually raining here yesterday, like before we left, and even when we came back from Niagara Falls, it was raining here. But now it's not, and it's a sunny day, and today we're going to Washington DC. It's actually just an hour away from where we're staying right now, 45 minutes, an hour away. And before that, we are going to stop and have lunch at Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. It's called Hell's Kitchen, and I'm really excited for that actually, because you know, I've seen Gordon Ramsay in MasterChef, of course, and now we're gonna stop by and have lunch at his restaurant. We have reached Washington and this is Hell's Kitchen. It's almost like 12 right now, 12 p.m. and we're having like an early lunch before we start exploring everything. And look at this, there are so many like yachts parked here, so very good location. So Hell's Kitchen is a very popular show and these are all the winners. Like this restaurant is also called Hell's Kitchen and these are all the winners of the show Hell's Kitchen, all of them here. And this is of course Gordon Ramsay. Our food is here. This is the crab roll, this is the flatbread, the soup, my mocktail, and these are the chicken wings. So here they have the blue kitchen and the red kitchen just like they have it in the show. So basically in the show, the blue and the red kitchen, they compete against each other. And we asked them over here how the scene is, and they said that over here of course they work together, but there's still that bifurcation. We are now at the US Capitol, this building right here. We are inside now and we're getting a guided tour. I have the guide's like voice playing here, so it's very funny that I'm talking. But here are like statues from the first 13 states of United States, basically like the country. So from the first 13 states, there are like statues of some of the most prestigious, popular people. We are going to the Senate meeting room right now. This is the Senate gallery check-in, and I actually really wanted to go and check out how their rooms look like. So now we're just going to go inside and see it. This is what I was like looking forward to the most. We went inside, but we couldn't take our phones. I could deposit it outside. So that's why we couldn't take any pictures and I couldn't take any videos. But it started raining again, so we have our ponchos and we got down and we came out, and there was no session going on at that time, but I think if there is, then we can still go in and sit and do it while the session's happening. But the session got on actually a couple of hours before we entered. But now we're at the library. We're at the Library of Congress. This is the one, and from here we get like a very good view of the Capitol building. We are at the White House now. This right here is the White House, and thankfully the moment we reached, it stopped raining so we could get some nice pictures. Yeah, this is how it looks like. There's nothing much to do other than taking pictures. So we're just going to take a few more pictures and then we'll get going. We are now walking towards this monument. So this monument was in the movie Spider-Man Homecoming as well. There's like a full scene with Spider-Man right here on top. So actually there's a lot of traffic because of some reason. We have no idea why. So that's why we are walking right there now. We have reached the Washington Monument and the weather here is like so good and there's so much greenery around. It's actually really quiet, which I'm not used to in Mumbai. Like it's always so loud and I think it's good. Like I think things being quiet is good. It's good for some days, but then after a point, because I'm from Mumbai, I can't take it because we're so used to the loud noise and the thrill of the city and everything, which is what New York really was. I think this much like quietness is good for some time, but not for a really long time at least. I think all the city people can really relate to me. We are now walking to the Lincoln Memorial. It's right there. And it started raining actually, like it just randomly starts raining and then it stops raining and becomes so sunny. The weather here is so weird because it's super sunny, like hot, and then it'll just start pouring and then again it'll stop raining. This cap has been like my savior through this day. I don't usually wear caps, but I think it's kind of looking really cool. Right here is the statue of Abraham Lincoln. It is so huge and it actually looks so beautiful. We had to walk up a lot of stairs. Let me show it to you all. I am tired, like I'm literally so tired, but we walked all the way from there, like there, to like all this, like this entire thing, and then we came here. And it's a long walk. It's a long walk and I'm tired. I'm really tired, but I think it was worth it because this is actually so beautiful. I literally like slept on the way. That's what I do in all these car journeys. I just like fall off to sleep. Whenever I'm in the car, it doesn't take me like 2 seconds to like fall asleep. But we are at the Cheesecake Factory and there's Shake Shack. Where is Shake Shack? Yeah, Shake Shack is right here. I wanted to try both of these places. I'll probably try Shake Shack somewhere else in the trip, but look at the Cheesecake Factory exteriors. They're so cute. Cheesecake Factory is really popular in and around the US and there are so many outlets of this. So I just told them that I really want to try this out and then we came here and yeah, I'm kind of like a little like I just woke up, so I'm gonna wash my face and freshen up a little bit now. We ordered the strawberry cheesecake and it's so yum. Like I love it. It's too yum. We are going to Target now. It's the next morning. We came back home from the Cheesecake Factory and the entire day at Washington DC, and now we're on our way to Target. I really wanted to come here. I was like, whenever I'll be in the US, I wanted to come to Target. So right now we're here and I've seen this in YouTube videos so much and all like the creators that I follow, their YouTube videos, and I of course have to check it out. I love Target. Like you have everything in one place. I bought like a few makeup things, like clothes. There's everything. There's clothes, there's makeup, there's food, stationery, everything in one place. Can I just like take this to India with me, please? It's so good. There's Dunkin' Donuts literally at every next corner here. So I just got some hot latte. That is it for our time here in Maryland. We explored Niagara Falls, entire like Maryland, so this entire Maryland area. I can't look in my dark circles, oh my god. But and then what else did we explore? We explored Washington DC, so it was such a nice time. Like really cool 3 days, and we explored like all the most amazing spots. Especially Niagara Falls was like amazing. Then I also went to Target, which is so good. I want to bring it back to India with me. Petition to get Target to India. And then what else? I had, we went to the Cheesecake Factory. So everything that I really wanted to do, we were able to tick off. And now on to the next location. So that will be in the next vlog. So wait and watch and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.